صباح الخير. Good morning. How to increase your viewers and subscribers and the traffic of your YouTube channel in Google and YouTube search engines using SEO, search engine optimization settings, using settings or by settings and ChatGPT. Follow me. First of all, you go to your channel and from here you select your YouTube studio. And then from YouTube studio you press on settings. It's in the left side. At the bottom of the left side here. It will be found here. And by setting or pressing setting this, we go to the settings window, and from settings window we go to channel. The option channel or the upload defaults. Okay, it's upload defaults, and here upload defaults, it's a very important thing. You can select a title, and this title will be the default title for all of your videos, and you can write a description in two languages like Arabic and English, and write your contacts and your most important videos. And this is your contacts here, as you see, and encouraging sentence for encouraging people to subscribe in your channel. And then the visibility, select it as public or private, and here's the keywords. So the description and the keywords, how to get it, it's very simple and very easy. You get it using ChatGPT. You go to ChatGPT and you have you tell ChatGPT 10 sentences or sentences about blah blah blah، اللي هو about ايه، about اللي هو ال specifics of your channel. So you are when from internet and the stock market and the stock market and chess, okay, and solving problems. This is the specific words. So it will write 10 sentences or 20 sentences about these things. This is the description. So you will press here and the ChatGPT will work and bring you 20 sentences. You will take these sentences, copy and paste like this. Copy here. And you go back to the setting here and here select paste. Okay? And the same for the keywords. You go to the ChatGPT here. And here is stop generation. And stop, and then instead of sentences you need keywords. So here you will take this sentence the same, but you need here 40 keywords separated by comma. Okay, about, وهنا quotations, based this specific or specifications of your channel, and then press. ChatGPT will find you 40 keywords about this, and you will copy them and then take them and paste in the setting here. Control V and paste. Okay, but I have my keywords. Then you will this save will be activated, as you see here. Save activated. Okay, I will delete this because I don't need. And then now, if you uploaded some video, the description, this old description on all these keywords, and it will be public, and the title, if there is title, will be as default, and this will decrease the description. But yes, you have a special video. You will delete from this, but not all things, because save the contact us and the tell sentence, the down sentence this. Okay, thanks for watching. If there is any question, ask and I will reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to reach 10,000 of subscribers and reach the Google and YouTube search engine. Write a good comment, support us. Thanks for watching.